Hey guys, so I'm just gonna show you these really pokeable fluffy slimes and how I made them. I'm just gonna tell you how I made them because I have to do my homework and I have a lot of things to do today, so I'll just tell you the recipe for them. So first of all, you just need some glue. Just pour that in just one bottle. Just make sure it's one glue. Oh no, it's stuck to me. Then what you need to do is get some shaving cream, put it in the where the glue is, then mix. Then you also have to put some food coloring, food dye, and then mix that. And then when you're done doing that, put some glitter. It's optional, so you don't have to do it. Next of all, just put some lotion that makes it like really stretchy. I didn't put too much in it, so it's not that stretchy. Then what you want to do is mix that. Then get some, I forgot what it's called, Tide, and then mix it. Just put like tablespoons or teaspoons at a time until it gets like this consistency. That's what you want. And then you have to take it out and work it around with your hands. And then that's pretty much what you have to do. Make sure you like and subscribe. My Instagram is slime_world_love101. Follow me there. And just subscribe to be entered in the giveaway. I'm gonna say who's gonna win on Mother's Day. Goodbye, everybody.